This is the basic that you can get in a store right now. It's not too bright, it's a yellowish light. This one is a Coleman. Give a close-up look. Let's go to the table and unbox the one I bought. And I just want to show you that I just get this one in the mail. I ordered in Amazon. So this one is the Peerless Mantles. So instead of yellowish light, this one is bright light, like daylight when you try to put it in your any Coleman that you have, number 21. So I have some. I want to show you later too, one by one. I have vintage here and the one that new in the market. They have some like they have tie wire that you can easily put to your Coleman, and I have the basic one with the string. So let's open it really quick and I show you what inside. So this is the first time I see this one too. So I just get it yesterday. So just access here. Put this on the side. And here we go. I have some receipt here. $20 for I think to, let's see. So they give me a, if I want to reorder it again, they give me some card there. Instruction: if you received your product, please do not initiate to return through Amazon. Simply send a picture of the damaged product. We will process a replacement or refund. Thank you. So it means this one is a good seller. So I think I order 4 sets. So total of 12 in every package. They have 4 pieces of number 21. And let's see if this one's made from where. So before this one's made from the USA, now it's in Gujarat, India. I think they're the same quality, so they only make it in international. It doesn't say in the package this one is thorium. And pretty much when you use this one, they said you need to use gloves to make sure they're not gonna poison you. So I give you a close-up look there. Peerless mantle. This mantle is manufactured to be highest quality standard, rugged North American terrain. Please read this one before you used it. So totally I have 12 there, and now I try to show you what I have. So I have the use generator there, and this is the one that I have. So I show you one by one. This one that the one you get in the market now, I bought this one in the Walmart. This one is the flip type wire, 2 quantity, and I have another regular mantle here. It's a string. I just get it like recently for $6.48 for 4 pieces, cheap at Walmart. And another basic too. I ordered this one on Amazon for 4 pieces, 4 sets. They have a different kind of that you can use. You can use it in 200, 285, 286, 28. There's a lot of usage for a brand that or model of Coleman. And I have the vintage one here. I get this one in the I just bought used one, but they still have the old Coleman mantle there. This one is made 2003. It's a little bit old. And this one is my very old one. This one, I get this one in my 200A, the red one. I sold the unit, but I kept the mantle. This one, I get it in 1972 model, brand new. That's why I keep it safe. I wrap it up some clear plastic. So, vintage. Maybe this one is only like 90 cents during that era. So that's the collection that I have. It's not too many, but now I have this one. So let's put and try to one of my Coleman. So I just want to do some open box here to show you what I get. So I just read this one. When you read it, the following of above shown instruction in ensure the optimum performance by the mantle is generating a bright white light resulting of very satisfactory experience. So it's positive. It says there white bright light, not a yellow. So let's check it later. Try this old model vintage Coleman 226-700. This one is hard to find it. So most especially if you want the new one. They said this one, they use it twice. I get it from the eBay. It's gonna take a while to receive it. I think it came from Colorado. That's why it's a little bit hard when you get it. But thanks God I get it. So hopefully this one is not broken. So most especially the globe. So let's open it really quick. So let's go crack the box. And this seller, they have a very high feedback in eBay. So let's see. So this one is still, so they make it very safety. So it's very smart. So to keep the unit not move all over the place. So that's why you do that. Very nice packaging. So now let's give this one a try. Open it. Put the stuff on the side. So let's see what's the one is inside. So this the step parts that I got. This one's the bell, heat shield, and this one is the ventilator. The way they make it's different, but it look like clean. It look like they never burn it. So this one is like tiny. It's like less than 10 inches. So here's the unit. And I show you the stamp. The stamp, it's February 1996, Coleman, USA says there. And let's turn this one. So you heard some click, so you can tell if it is up. So I give you close-up look. 226A700, that's the model number. And you heard some, I already pump it, you heard some hissing when you open this knob all the way. Hopefully the camera catched it. And I can see this one holds some pressure, so let's put the mantle in. This Peerless with give you some bright light. So this is the moment of truth if this one is warped or not. That's the one they said. They give you a bright, not the yellowish one. So let's open it. This one is only 21, and they said this one is hold 20. And I Google it. They said if you use the 20, as long you never touch this one, and in the bottom it works. So 20 is a little bit smaller than this one. So this one is 21. Let's see if it is fit to here. Tied it and burn it, and let's try to if this one is work. So let's put it together first. And I never I never see the globe, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give some good feedback to this person, the one who's selling this one. So they make the globe safety like this one. See, I show you around. It says there Coleman, and the globe says made in Mexico there. So look like brand new. Drop it there, and let's see, put some the mantle now, and let's see what's going on. And I buy some bag here too. Let's see if this one's fit to the bag. I bought it in Amazon like 17 bucks. So I'm just gonna show it right now. Shields in, and just follow the hole there, lining up, and that's the way you drop it. And try to put the bell there. Now pelo is full assemble, so just put this one to the side again. And this the final it look like. It's gonna give you a 360 turn. This one is a little bit newer because the pump lock, it's supposed to be, there's a wire and hole. This one you can just pop it up, twist it. And this one is, they made it during 90s and discontinue, no more. You're not gonna get this one. You can only get this one used. It's hard to find a new one. There's a lot of people selling online, but it's hard to get same as this condition. It look like brand new. The only stain that I got is this one, the mark of the fire when you the owner they try to fire it. So let's put some mantle now, and let's see if this one's fire. So prior, before I received this one, I already buy this one in Amazon too. I'm not sure. I just give it a shot. So I'm not sure if this one's work or fit. But now when I try it, it's like fit like a gloves. So it's fit there good. So you can remove it and put it back. Just drop it. So now your safety for your globe now and everything when you do some backpacking. So closed it. So I'm happy with the purchase. It's not a lot of padding there, but I can deal with it. And there's like a pocket here that you can put your stuff there. So it's nice to have that one for 2 days. So now let's try to put this mantle. Be careful when you open this one. They said this one is poisonous. After you burn it, wash your hands. So to be sure that they're not gonna hurt you, let's open this one right now so that we put it in. So this is the first time I'm gonna see this one too. In every package they said they have 4, and it's gonna be take a while to receive it, like I think 7 days before I receive it. I get it from Amazon. They're from, so supposed to be this one, there's a mark of Peerless. Why there's no mark? So I'm not sure if this one is genuine. So but let's put it in. So in case this one they're not gonna give you white light or bright light, I'm gonna return it. So put it there. So this one is the string, and let's put it there now. So first pull it out in a middle so that you have same length, and then after that put it here. As much I can, I try to put it in the top of this burner so that it's not touching supposed to be the shield. But when you burn this one, it's gonna be shrink like a sack. And let's continue what we're doing. I already tie it and then put it another one to make it sure it's you have a good lock there. And afterwards, get your scissor and cut it. Leave some like 1/4 inch. So cut it even, 1/4 in other side too. And it's there. It's already installed. So let's see. Give it. This one is trial error. If it is work for 21, this one is not number 20 mantle. This one is a little bit bigger than the original that used on this one. So let's just burn it and go outside and try to par it. So let's burn it. Put this one in on. Now it's totally burned, so let's try to wait until the smoke is gone, go outside and burn it. So if you can see, it's already sink from here all the way like a half of the sack. Now it's time to par it. Do a quick pour. Don't put a lot, because this one is very small punk. I think that one's enough. And be careful not to cross thread. Seal it snug. Don't force it too much to make it tight. So remove all the stuff around the lantern to make it safe. Give like 30 pumps. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see if you heard some hissing before you start it. Yeah, I heard the hiss. Turn the knob in a full blast. Oh man. So let's see if this one, if it is give us bright light, not yellow light. So let's wait. Successful ba? Yeah, it's turned to bright. So I think the Amazon, they tell the truth that this one has chromium. So put this ones really quick. This one is hot quick. Be careful not to break the glass or the globe. Put the top. I'm not gonna put the top because I don't want to. I'm scared to crack this one when you never put a right alignment. So line it up, and you have the bail on. So you can see it's the right is bright white, not a yellow on in a camera, but as soon as my 2 eye see, this one is bright white light, not the yellowish. And I like the pattern glass shade too. It give you not hurting your eyes when you look at it. So that's the part of the design. And after in a while, you need to clean it like this. Turn it up and on and put it in a full blast. And after that, you need to pump it again, like 10 another pump. And this one is gonna be last for at least 2 hours or less. So I think that'll be it. So it's a successful buy too. And even this one I just bought it, so the seller is not lied to me that this one is 100% work. You can tell I never put the ventilator first, so I want to keep it mint and new. So it's like they never use it. They have a mark of use is this burner and the one in underneath that I showed you earlier. But other than that, I'm satisfied for buying the Peerless Mantle in Coleman, in Amazon, and they tell the truth that the light it's bright. So that's my concern. That's why I bought that 12 pieces of mantle, but it's 3 pieces with the 4-pack each. And so I already wrap up this review, so hope you really like it. See you next time, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Thanks. Shut it off. So you can still have time to go to your tent before you sleep, before this one is shut it down, like a less than 1 minute, to get all the fluids on the mantle and start to dimming like that, and after that is gone. Thanks again. See you later. Until my next one, God bless.